Yes, what you said?
Controls whether the item is relevant for billing or not.
Okay, okay, okay. If it is only that, that is enough or any other?
If it is K, yeah, still it is there. Means it is the few things it is there. It is item cat. You can say that K is a delivery related invoice for partial quantity,
No, in terms
whichever
of
the things when we are
definition.
billing in the
In
sales order. Sorry, in the, when we are
I'm asking in
in
terms
the
of.
And also it control whether the
uh,
item is delivery related or order related.
Yeah,
order related billing, it is.
that's quite important. Okay, that's quite important.
Okay.
So this
And also
field
if you
fasting,
maintain the blank means not relevant for the billing it is actually.
that is okay, but when someone is asking, you have to say like, okay, this field controls whether the item is relevant for billing or not. First thing, then it also controls whether the
Okay.
item is
Okay.
delivery related billing or order related billing. This is the complete, definition of this field. Okay, later you have to
Okay.
say if you have idea. Okay, you say what options will work how. Okay.
Okay.
So, where is that? Billing relevance, this one. Okay. So, billing relevance done. Then what next? Billing block. So, billing block is nothing but the billing block. Billing block. Okay. So, what does it mean? We have already discussed this one, but still, can anyone tell me? Or from your understanding so far, can anyone tell me which part we are discussing? Which part of the cell structure or cells uh, uh, process cell cycle? Okay, which part of the cell structure we are discussing currently? Who can tell me? Hmm? And in this
Item category.
hmm, item category. Okay, so item part we are discussing, right?
Yes.
Then what can be the use of this billing block? Logically
See,
tell me.
billing block, yeah, when you place the order, actually, the option it will be having from the material master also. Sorry, when you place the order, example, the billing block reason, example, it is damage in transit or anything, particular reason it will be available, no? And automatically the billing it will be billing will be blocked, and also pro- uh, uh, the invoice will not be generated due to that billing block.
See, first thing,
Particular
if you
line
are
item, particular
maintaining,
line item.
yeah, that's you are missing.
Yeah, particular line item, it will be blocked by the invoice. Then the authorized person only, it will release the billing block will be released.
Okay. What is next? Then billing block. Okay, pricing. Okay, what is pricing or what is the use of pricing? This field controls. It controls whether the price is whether the material is or whether the line item is right. Whether the item is applicable Okay, applicable or relevant for the pricing or not. Okay. Okay. So first definition is whether it is relevant for pricing or not. Okay. What is second? Second is you go there, you can see some options, right? So blank means no pricing, X means pricing. It also controls. That means the pricing for free goods, 100% discount. It also controls. So that means it also controls whether the price is a normal price or free goods price, right? It also controls. It also controls whether the item is a normal price or free goods price. Okay. Now, what next? Determine cost we had discussed, right? Yeah. Okay. Statistical value. And one more thing also you can mention here, normal equal to X and free goods equal to, sorry, equal to 100%. 100% discount. Sorry, B means free goods. Okay. That's clear. See, B means pricing for free goods 100% discount. Okay. So now we'll go for statistical value. Oh, sorry. Ah. Okay. One more thing also we can write down here. See, when we what is the free goods condition type, Rajesh?
Uh,
R100.
R100 it is.
Okay, R100 or R100. Okay. So in this case, R100 condition type is R100. Condition type would be R100. Then what is next? Requirement. Requirement type equal to 55. Okay.
29.
And base type formula equal to 28. Okay. And accounting key will be ERS. Okay. Okay, fine. So where we can see this, all this, guys? Can anyone have observed so far?
Pricing procedure it is.
Yeah, we can see it /OB/08. Okay. This is the T code to see the pricing procedure V/08. Okay. So what is the pricing procedure in our case? RVA001,
RVA
right?
double.
RVAA01. Okay, standard. This one. Okay. Now check this or select this. Double click on the second one. Okay, here you can see R100. Where is R100? Yeah, this is the R100 condition type. Okay, so here you can see requirement is 55. So this is a formula. Okay, this is a formula written inside the routine or code through the codings. Okay, so that we'll understand later. You cannot understand, but at this moment you just try to recall. The 100% discount or free goods will always consist this or will contain this R100 condition type, which will ultimately be, become the material value as 0. Okay, and the alternate condition type of this one will be 20. Okay, this is alternate condition type. Okay, alternate condition base type. Okay, okay, so this will be 28. Then the accounting key will be ERS. Okay, guys, clear? Now now go to statistical one. Okay, statistical value. Can anyone tell me what is statistic means or statistical means? Hmm? If you maintain
Uh,
this, then
it will not affect on the net value.
the line item value becomes inactive. Clear, guys? The line item value becomes inactive. Means the line item value does not have any effect on the total document value. Means the line item value does not have any impact on the total document value. Are you guys? Are you guys? Are you guys clear? Hmm? Are you guys clear?
Yes, sir.
Others, please. See, for example, let me tell you in this way. Example, there is a material X, quantity is 10. Okay, price is 10 rupees again. Okay, okay, so how much it is becoming? 100, right? So Y material is there. Y material is there. Okay, so we have two quantity and the price of this one is 50, for example, 50 rupees. Then it is also becoming 100 rupee, right? But in case of yeah, this X line item, this line item, Y line item is containing this R100, sorry, statistical value. Okay, so this R100 is not R100, this is a statistic value. Okay, statistical checked. Okay, so what will happen, this value will not included with this 100, means it was supposed to be 200 now, right? 200, right? But the total value will be 100. Why? Because we have checked as a statistical for this particular line item. That's why the total amount will be 100 only instead of 200. Clear, guys? Okay, now what other controls are there? Important controls. Mm. Okay, this field. Okay, automatic batch determination. Automatic batch determination. Automatic batch determination. Automatic batch determination. So if you check this, then the batch number will be determined automatically. Okay, will be determining automatically into the sales document. Okay, and one more thing, what happens generally, we determine batch number in delivery document level. Okay, document level. Okay, guys, clear? Okay, automatic batch determination. Now what is next? Rounding permitted. Okay, this is not required, leave it. Order quantity one, that is okay. What is the major one? Okay, create PO automatic. Create PO automatic. Create PO automatic. Okay. So what is the use of this one? Can anyone tell me? While creating sales order, while creating sales order in third party process or IPO process. Okay, IPO process, system automatically generates PO. System automatically generates PO. Okay, so we will understand what is third party sales. See, these are the sales order process. Okay, the different sales process. Okay, we will discuss this thing later, not now. Okay, third party and IPO process. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the item category of third party process, guys? What is the item category? We have discussed already this thing.
BNS.
I'm asking item category, not item category group. What is the item category of third party process?
Uh, wha-
TAS.
War plus
TAS.
BNS is equal to TS.
Okay. Then what about the IPO? What is the item category of IPO? Guys, this question is to everyone. What is the item category of IPO?
TAB. TAB.
Ah. Okay. Okay. What is next? Okay, guys, you can write down this thing: value contract material. Value contract material. Okay, value contract material. Okay, value contract material means if you maintain this, okay, if you maintain this, then system will automatically determine it while determining it while creating value contract general. While creating value contract general. Okay, value contract general. Guys, we had discussed about contracts, right? So what was the contract we had discussed? One contract type or contracts, I mean on one type of contract said, right? What was that?
Quantity contract and value contract it is.
Yeah. So only quantity contract I think we had discussed. So there is another contract as well. That is value contract. Okay. What is the document? What is the item category of this quantity contract? Not this one. What is the item category of quantity contract? See, contract is of two types. One is quantity contract. Another one is value contract. Okay.
KMN it is item category it is.
Amen.
KMN, right? It was KMN for quantity contract. Okay, KK, that is quantity contract. But here for value contract, the item category would be WKN. Make a note of this one. I think we missed this. Okay, WKN. Okay, and we maintain this value contract general material value contract material specific field only for the WKN. Let's see whether it is available or not. WKN. Yeah, it is available. It is blank. Someone maybe have deleted, but anyway, you keep it keep it in mind that WKN is the value contract general document, value contract item category. Okay, WKN is the item category for value contract. Okay, then another one is contract release control. Contract release control. Contract release control. Okay, contract release control. So this field controls how system should respond. Okay, if the release order value exceeds the contract value, it controls how the system should respond if the release order value is or exceeds the contract value. Okay, guys. So it controls, okay, how system should respond if the release order value exceeds the contract value. What is release order? Can anyone say? Release order means, for example, there is a contract have 100 quantity. Okay, contract is valid with 100 quantity, but now we are creating a sales order of 10 quantity only. So that 10 quantity or partial quantity order will be considered as a released order. Okay. Okay, that one you are releasing from the total agreed quantity. Okay, out of 100 you are releasing for 10 quantity. Okay, so that order will be considered as a release order. Okay, fine, guys. Now the important things will come. Just try to understand this tan. How this tan is coming, or how this is the standard one is TN, right? Tan. Okay, what order, which order we had created? VA03. Let's go inside to our order. Okay, this is the order we had created. Okay, so where we can see the tan, guys? Where you can see the tan? Where you can see the tan in this order label? Unmute yourself, guys. Tell me where you can see the tan, guys.
Line item click, that is. Item detail also we can go for that.
Okay. So when we are discussing about item category, that will always come under the item category label. So we need to double click on the line item. Inside this,
See,
you can see item category TAN, standard
category.
item. Okay. So now the question is how this tan is coming to here. How system is determining this tan here inside the sales order. Okay. How system is determining the determining item category in the sales order. That thing is quite important. We need to understand how system is triggering that one. Okay, so there is a T code. What is the T code, Rajesh, to determine
Which one, Suman?
item category?
VOV7, Suman.
/OVOV4. Okay, VOV4. So this is the item, this is the T code which helps to determine item category into the sales document. Determine item category means determining this tan into the sales order. Okay, there are, see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So with these four parameters or four type of combination, we can determine default item category into the sales document. So what is first? Sales document type. This is sales document type. Then this is item category group. Then this is item usage. Then it is higher level item category. Okay, higher level item category. Okay, first one is sales document type. Then sales document type, then item category group, item category, then item usage. Okay, see this one is item usage. Okay, item usage. Then this is higher level item category. Okay, higher level item category. Then what is next? Default. FAULT. Okay, guys. Okay, so higher level item category and default item category. So first one will start. Okay, guys, please be concentrated here. Okay, what is the sales document type in this document or in this transaction? What is the sales document type in this transaction? Guys, please speak up. Unmute yourself and tell me what is the sales document type in this transaction? How can I check that one? Document type will come at what level of a sales transaction?
Header level.
Header level. Okay, how can I go there?
Step.
Either I can go to this go to option, menu option. Okay, come to this option, go to, then header, then here sales. Under sales will only come, it will come. Order type is nothing but the sales document type. Okay, so what is the order type we have? CPUR. CPUR. Okay, CPUR. Sorry, CPUR. Okay, what is next? Item category group. Where did we discuss this item category group? Where did we discuss? Can anyone tell me? Item category group. Anywhere